Hi, this is the first property in a portfolio of 21 properties being offered by Barnard Marcus on the 30th of April, and it probably raises more questions than it answers. As you can see from the picture, it is a two-bedroomed bungalow with a semi-derelict or certainly unusable garage attached to the side. It's guiding at £330,000. It is an EPC. I'll show you quickly, and it has 60 square meters, and it also is solid brick, so any insulation work needs to be dry lined. Interestingly enough, the property was sold in February 21, February this year, for £422,000, and it is now guided at £330,000, close on £100,000 less 2 months later. Why? I have no idea. So back to the picture of the original, with our bungalow. And as you can see, it's reasonably clean and tidy. But the position back in February was this heavy growth of ivy and greenery all over the property. And as I'll show you in a minute, this has gone into the render on the outside and all needs stripping off. But I can show you that now. Turn around here. You come in to this semi-derelict garage. It hasn't got a roof on it. It goes back to about this point where it then turns and runs parallel with this boundary fence through to the back. So we go out through there. Was working. There's no, there we go. And it goes, as you can see, it goes to a very narrow point. This is all the infestation from the greenery. And this all needs to be hacked back to bare brick before re-rendering. As you see, it comes down through here. And then you've got this very narrow way through to the back garden, so there is essentially no side access, although what little you do have needs to be maintained for obvious reasons. Okay, so what do we do with this property on the basis that we're going to try and add value? And well, what I would do, going back to the earlier picture, this picture here, first of all, I take a quick look around the neighbourhood, and as you can see, I've got over here a loft conversion and Derelict in the roof and in the end, and Derelict here as well. And I think loft conversion. So turning around to the property itself, what I would look to do is to bring this into the living room. Let me just show you a plan of the internal plan. I bring the living room through here, bring all this in the living room, carport. One of the problems is when I come in through this front door here, I've got to go through these rooms to get to the kitchen. There's no way through without going through the dining room to get to the kitchen. So I'd widen the reception room as it is up full width, so it'd be 13 foot by about 20 feet. And going back to look at the picture of the exterior, I bring the roof line through over it and extend the roof, and I put a loft conversion into the roof. Now, there's a fair bit of other work I would do at the same time. I'd like to try and replan the interior so I got the kitchen in a better position than it is at the present time. Sorry, wrong one. That's what I was looking for. So that's what I'd bring to. Bring the roof line through here over this end of this garage. I maintain a side access though down the side of the boundary wall, so you could walk down the side of the building into the back. I wouldn't shut the back off, and still maintain it as 2 bedrooms. Go back to the plan. So have these 2 bedrooms with a central bathroom, and possibly break through here. You come into the reception room, down a passage, turn right, and go through this wall to get into an enlarged kitchen diner. I go out of this kitchen through that wall to get to the garden. Remember, I'm coming down this wall here to get into the garden at the back. So that's what I would do. Very difficult question to answer. Probably needs more thought, but as a quick or obvious answer to how to add value, that would be for a starter. Which brings me to the end. So if you'd like to discuss this further, please give me a call. Thank you.